Good morning, my beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing great. So in my hand I have some orange peel and I use it in my garden all the time. I'm going to show you how I use these orange peels powder. Well, it's not quite powdery, but how I use it to help control bugs in my garden. So orange peel turned into this. We are going to use this for our plants outside. I grind it up in a coffee grinder and I'm going to show you how to use this. But first, I'm checking out my compost tea, just giving it a quick stir. I'm going to show you how to make that. I did a video before, but I will do another one. Now, there are 3 different ways that I use orange peel in my garden. This is one of the ways that I use it. And another way, I put it in a spray bottle. And then another way, I put it in my compost. Okay, so this area, I do grow a lot of cabbages and stuff. That's why you see so many tea bags, because it helps with bug control. So when I am ready to plant, to replant the collard greens and stuff in here, I'm going to open up those tea bags and just sprinkle the dry tea that's in there. So now we're doing the citrus. I'll be working on this week. See, orange. Let me show you guys over there, right in that area. So usually when I grow my microgreens indoors, when I'm done with the tray, I take the tray and I dump it. Look at all the greens that's growing there. Cabbages, kales, collard greens, all kinds of stuff in there. So anyway, yep, I am going to sprinkle the citrus peel all around. Please make sure you use organic orange peel. You don't want to be adding extra stuff to your garden. So orange peel helps with bug control. It helps with aphids, slugs, flies, spider mites, and even ants. I had to take a moment to just watch this hard-working bee in my garden. Have a good day. Be safe. Enjoy watching our little friend helping us out. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share our videos, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day and be safe.